Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, Stat Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera P6 are available at Civil Engineering Stravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Stravan. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete detailed scheduling of G+5 apartment building structural model by using Primavera P6 software. Initially, I will show you what is the baseline we need to consider for that particular apartment building, which is related to the assumptions we are assumed as per the baseline project. Then after that, I will explain you complete scheduling of that particular baseline project by using Primavera P6 software. So before starting the video, please like this video so that it will push me to create the better content for you. And this is the complete PDF which is related to the assumptions that we are considering for the typical floor plan of apartment building and scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. I will upload this particular PDF in Civil Engineering Stravan application. You can download my application. The download link is available in the below description of this video. You can watch the free PDF session so that you can able to download that PDF and for the printing purpose as well as the reference purpose for your project. Okay. So the complete courses like Stat Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit as well as the Primavera P6 software, complete softwares are available. Complete detailed explanation of the classes are also available in the Civil Engineering Stravan application. You can watch the complete classes in Civil Engineering Stravan application. So let's start our video. So now we can see for this particular apartment building, I am considering the typical floor plan here like this, which is consisting of the left hand side portion, which is having 3 BHK portion, as well as the right hand side portion also consisting of 3 BHK portion. For the right hand side section, the approximately SFT is 1743, and for the left hand side section, the approximate area is 1944. So this is the hall, this is the bedroom, again this is the dining area, this is the master bedroom, this is the kitchen for this particular portion, and this is the lift provision, this is the kitchen, this is the bedroom, again this is also bedroom, this is hall, this is dining area, this is wide opening for this particular project. Okay, wide balcony we will consider. So this is the typical floor plan. So you can consider the floor plan according to your considerations of the specifications. So these are the steps we need to follow for the scheduling of the project, any project, by using Primavera P6 software. Initially, we need to create the enterprise project structure, and second stage is to create the organization breakdown structure. Third step is to create the calendar, and fourth step is to creating the project, and fifth step is to create the WBS, and sixth step is to create the activities, and seventh step is related to giving the relations between the activities, and eighth step which is related to scheduling of the project. So this is the general OBS just I am considering for this particular project. So this is the project manager. Under the project manager, it will be consisting of civil engineer and civil engineer 1, civil engineer 2, site engineer 1, this is not civil engineer, this will be of site engineer. Okay, site engineer 1, this will be of site engineer 2. Okay, site engineer 2, and structural engineer under that structural engineer 1, structural engineer 2. Site supervisor, under that it will be consisting of site supervisor 1, site supervisor 2. This is the finance department and this is the HR department. So these are the WBS just we are considering for this project, which is consisting of project planning, structural work, site clearance and setting work, construction work, finishing and handovering site to the client. So this is the planning and structural work. Under that it will be consisting of the activities here like this and number of days required. And site clearance and setting work, it will be consisting of activity. In the same process, it will be consisting of the activity for this particular project here like this. And these are the finishing and handovering site to the client activities. Let's start with the scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. So here I am selecting my software, Primavera P6 software. Just I am selecting Primavera P6 software. Now we can see the complete software will be open here like this. So click on the password. Just I'm selecting my password here. Click on OK option. So the complete user interface of the software will be open here like this, which is consisting of the previous project. Initially we will delete the previous project. Go to enterprise option, enterprise project structure, select project A, click on delete option, click on S option. In the same process we will delete that particular project. So in our first step, which is related to creation of EPS for this particular project. So EPS is nothing but the enterprise project structure, which is very much important for the scheduling. So go to enterprise option, select enterprise project structure, click on add button. So here I am giving the A as the project ID for the project A. So just I am taking project A, which is related to buildings. Again I am giving one more project, which is not the subcategory of the project A. We need to move to the left hand side. So we will give the ID as B. Just we will give it as project B buildings. Okay, now we can see this is the project A and project B buildings. And if you want to create the one more EPS, you can consider. Just I am selecting C, project roads. Okay, this is the process of creating EPS by using Primavera P6 software. So initially I will add our project in project A itself. Okay, so this is the first step. We are done with complete creation of EPS. The second step is to creation of organization breakdown structure for the structure. So for the creation of organization breakdown structure, we have the structure here like this. So go to Primavera P6 software, come to enterprise here, select this option. So go to OBS option, so which is related to organization breakdown structure. So initially we will delete the OBS which is presented for this project. Just I am deleting each and every OBS which is presented here for the project here like this. So this is a project manager, initial person we need to add. So just I am copying this option, click on copy. Again I am pasting here, which is related to the project manager. So under the project manager we have the different persons are there. So civil engineer 1, civil engineer 2. Initially I will add civil engineer. Just I am selecting here, click on add option. So again we will need to click on add button. So we will add this category, paste option. Under this we have the some more category which is related to site engineer. Click on copy. Again we will add one more category here for the project. Click on add button. So again we will write it as site engineer. Okay. So under the site engineer again we will add one more category. So which is related to the structural engineer. Click on copy option. Again click on paste option here. Again we will add one more category which is mainly related to site supervisor. So click on copy option. Again we will select site supervisor. Again we will add one more category which is related to finance department. Click on copy option. So again we will come here, click on paste option. Again we will add one more category as per our consideration, HR department. So just I am adding that particular category. So under the civil engineer we have the different categories are there, like civil engineering 1, civil engineer 2. So there is a shift wise they will work on the under the particular site. So for adding the subcategory of the civil engineer we have to click on the OK add option here. So we need to move this particular category under the civil engineer 1 category. That's why we have to move this to right hand side. So we will paste here and we will write here as civil engineer 1. Again we will add one more category. We will paste here as civil engineer 2. Okay. Now again I will select the site engineer here. Click on copy option. Again we will add site engineer. Again we will add. So now we will move to the left hand side section, site engineer 1. Okay, you can add here. Again we will add one more category which is related to site engineer 2. Now we will select the structural engineering 1. So just I am selecting structural engineer 1. Click on copy option. Click on copy option. Again I am selecting structural engineer. Click on add button. We have to move to the right hand side section, structural engineer 1. Again we will add one more category. Under that we have to add structural engineer 2. Site supervisor is there. So we need to add site supervisor 1 as well as the site supervisor 2 as the organization breakdown structure for this particular project. Just I am selecting here, click on the copy option, site supervisor 1. Again we will add one more category under this section. So site supervisor 2 option here. So this is the structure we are added for this particular project, which is consisting of the OBS. If you wanted to display this particular OBS in the chat view, you can click on this display element, chat view option, so that the complete OBS will be displayed here like this. Okay, so it will be consisting of complete project manager, under that civil engineer, site engineer, structure engineer, site supervisor. If you want to adjust this particular OBS in the center point, you can click on this option. So you have to select this particular project manager, go to select here. So click on arrange children. If you want to align in vertical, you can align. So if you want to align children in horizontal, you can align here. So if you want to display complete whole structure project in the chart view, you can click on this option. Zoom option here, zoom to best fit option, so that it will display the complete chart here like this for the apartment building by using Primavera P6 software. This is our second step, which is related to creation of OBS by using Primavera P6 software. Now our next task is to creation of the calendar for the project, which is related to the creation of the calendar as per the project consideration. So for that, just I am going to my Primavera P6 software, click on enterprise option. Under this, just I am selecting this enterprise. Again I am coming to the calendar option. You can select the calendar, you can click on delete option, so that it will delete the calendar for the project. Again we will select some default calendar. Again we will select duplex house calendar. So click on OK. We will select as this one. So just I am selecting 6 by 24 calendar. If you want to select some 7 by 24, you can select. Just I am selecting, otherwise just I am selecting 7 by 24 calendar. Click on add button here. So we have to add the new calendar as per the apartment building consideration. So for that, click on the place mark option. Just give the name as apartment. Select as the default calendar for the project. Okay, select here. So click on the modify option here. Okay, you have to select this. So if you want to add the any holidays which are presented for this particular project, you can add as per your consideration. So I was already made a video which is related to complete calendar process in Primavera P6 software. You can watch the video. I will provide that video in above cart link here. So this is the June month. Just I am creating the project for this particular June month 2025. You can assume your date of the project, starting date of the project as per your consideration. So just if you want to click on this particular work week option, it will show you the complete working hours that you have to work in that particular site. Instead of 10 hours, if you want to change the number of working hours to 12 hours, so you can change according to your considerations of the project as per the problem statement. Again I am selecting 6 hours for the Saturday. Click on OK. I am giving holiday for the project. Again you have to add the internal holidays for the project. So you can see here I was added internal holidays 3 days. If you want to make this particular third as the working, you can click on the work. Otherwise you can click on the non-work, so that it will make it as non-work. It will make it as holiday or non-work for this particular date. Again in the same process, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. From March I need to give some holidays here. Just I am selecting 2 days. Click on non-work option. This is the April. This is May. Sorry, this is the April. Just I am selecting here. Non-work option. Again I am selecting May. Non-work option. This is June. Non-work option. This is I am assuming here non-work option. July, just I am taking here as non-work. Sorry, August, September. Again I am selecting these two. October. Again I am selecting November. This is December. This will be of January. This will be of February. This will be of March here. Again this will be of April here, non-work. So I was added the calendar up to April 2027. Click on OK option. Now you can see it will select the 6 by 24 calendar. Instead of that, we have to make it as apartment as the default calendar for this project. Okay. So click on the modify option. If you want to modify that particular calendar and the holidays which are presented on that particular calendar, you can modify as per your assumption. Okay. So click on OK option. After this, we have to click on the close option. This is the third step which is related to the creation of the calendar by using Primavera P6 software. And next step is to creation of the project. So for that, go to file option here, click on new project option. You can select. So you can select project A buildings as the EPS. Otherwise, if you want to select another EPS, you have to click on these three dots so that it will display the complete EPS which are available for our project. So here you can see, as per our considerations of the project, it will be consisting of available EPS as project A, project B, project C. So project A is building project, project B is also a building project, and project C is road project. So I am interested into adding the project B as my apartment building for this project management. So that's why just I am selecting project B. Click on next option, give the project ID G+5 apartment, just I am selecting. Okay, click on the project name. Otherwise you can consider project ID as apartment AP. You can take it as G plus name as G+5 apartment. Okay, click on next option. So select the starting date of the project. You can consider as per your consideration. Just I'm taking 19th as the starting date. Otherwise, if you want to start the project by July 1st, you can consider July 1st. Mostly second we will consider. Click on next option. Select next option here. And you have to select the responsible person for this particular project. As per my assumption, just I am assuming the responsible person for this particular project is project manager. That's why I am adding here. Click on next option and we have to select the standard rates. Just I am selecting price per unit 4. Click on next option. You have to wait for some time so that it will show you the complete your new project has been created. To modify this project properties and define properties not covered. So it will show you the congratulations message. Click on finish option here so that it will create the project which is related to the apartment by using Primavera P6 software. This is the fourth step. And next step is to add the working breakdown structure. Basically, it is important to add the working breakdown structure for the scheduling of any project. Okay. So here you can see, as per my assumption, I was assumed the working breakdown structure which is consisting of 4 numbers here. One is related to the planning and structural work. Second one is related to the site clearance and setting out and construction work as well as the finishing work. So if you want to add the working breakdown structure, you can go to project here. It will be consisting of activities as well as the WBS. WBS is nothing but working breakdown structure. You can add the WBS from here. Otherwise, if you want to add the WBS, you can click on the WBS on the left hand side also, so that it will display the complete WBS here. Just I am selecting project, click on WBS option, so that it will open the complete WBS which is required for the particular project. Okay. So here you can see, as per my assumption, it will be consisting of 4 WBS. So we will add the 4 WBS. Click on add option. This is my first WBS. We will rename that particular WBS to planning and structural work. Click on copy option. So we will paste the WBS here. Okay. So we will write it as planning and structural work. PS just I am selecting. I name we will modify here, paste here. Again we will add some more WBS. Click on WBS. We will come to the left hand side. So we will give the name as site clearance and setting out. So just we will give site clearance and setting out here. Okay, we will copy this and site clearance and setting out work, copy. Click on this option, paste here. Again we will add some more WBS here. Click on place mark. We will move to the left hand side here and we will write it as construction work. This will be of CW, construction work here. We will copy this. Again we will copy here. Again we will come here. We will paste here. Next to WBS we will add and we will move to the left hand side section. Again finishing and handovering site to the client. Click on copy option. So F and HOS. Okay. Finishing and handovering site to the client. So this is the process of adding WBS by using Primavera P6 software. As per our assumption, we are taken only 4 WBS for our project. Our next task is to add the activities by using Primavera P6 software under each and every WBS section. So you can see here we are created planning and structural work. Under the planning and structural work, we have the WBS as activities as start project, surveying, drawing of the typical floor plan, design of the structure, and details structural design. Okay. So just I am selecting start project option here. Click on copy option. we will create the activities by using this project option. Click on the activities option so that it will open the complete activities panel for the project. Click on the place mark option. So now we can see here it will be added the activity here like this. Otherwise you can directly add that add button here so that it will add the activities here. So here I am starting from the 10th activity, which is related to start project option. Again in the same process we had to add the activities which is related to 4 numbers here. So go to Primavera P6, just I am adding activity 20, 30, 40 as well as the 50. Second activity we will add as per our consideration surveying. Just I am copying here. Click on the select this option, click on paste option. Again after this we will add drawing floor plans. Click on copy option. Again I am selecting this option. Click on paste option. Okay, again we will add one more section design of structure. Just I am selecting, click on copy, paste here design of structure. Again next activity which is related to detailed structural design option, copy option, select here, paste here, we will add here. Now after this we will add the number of duration which is required for this. So start project is doesn't having any count of the days, so that's why we had to shift this one day to the surveying itself. Okay, so that's why just I am adding under the surveying, just I am adding here as 3. Okay, again here it will be consisting of 0 days, and drawing of the typical floor plan just I am considering 3 days, and this will be of approximately 5 days, and next one will be of 5 days for this particular section. Just I am selecting here as 5 days, and next one is to add the activity type here. So the start project is nothing but your starting of the project. That's why we had to consider start milestone option here. So next one is site clearance and setting out. Under the site clearance and setting work, we have the 4 activities which is related to site clearance, setting, marking center line of the column, excavation work. Site clearance just I am selecting, click on copy option. Again we will come here, we will add the activity, and we have to start the activity from the 100 number here. So click on add activity, one more activity, again we will add one more, again we will add one more. So here we have to give the name as site clearance option. Again we will select the setting out option here, click on copy option, again we will select here, click on paste option here. Next one 120 which is related to marking the center line of the column, just I am selecting copy, again we will consider here, again we will paste here. Next one 130 which is related to excavation work, click on copy, so we have to select this option, again we will come here, we will paste here. Next one which is related to the construction work activities, just we will add, and we will start from the activity number 200. Just I am adding from the 200. So we will go to here. So firstly we will add the activities in the first page, then after that we will add the activities in the second page. So first page which is consisting of PCC, foundation, filling, plinth beam and etc. In this section initially I am adding the activities 20 numbers here. Click on add, again I am adding, again add. So here I am adding, again I am adding. In the same process we have to add the activity up to some 400 section, just I am adding here. Why? Because it is consisting of large number of the activities for the project. That's why initially I will add the 20 activities, then after that we will see the rest of the activities for the sections. Now I was added here, right? Now I am selecting 200 activity which is related to PCC work here. Click on PCC work here, click on copy option. So I am selecting here PCC here. Okay, next activity just I am selecting foundation, click on copy, just I am selecting here, paste here. So next one which is related to filling, click on copy, just I am pasting here for the project. In the same process I am selecting plinth beams, copy. So here I am considering plinth beams. Again I am selecting ground floor columns, copy. G columns I am taking. Next one which is related to ground floor slab, G slab, copy G slab option. Again we will consider first column here. Click on copy. Again we will paste here, which is related to first column section. Again we will add for the first slab section. Just I am pasting here. Next the second column as well as the second slab section. Just I am selecting this second column section. Just I am selecting here second column section. Click on copy. Again we will select here, paste here, second column. Again we will consider second slab. Copy second slab here. Again it will be consisting of third column. Third column. Next one third slab. Third slab, just I am selecting here. Fourth column here I am assuming. Copy. So here I am coming here. Fourth column. Again I am selecting fourth slab section here. Copy option. Will paste here fourth slab section. Again we will select fifth column here. Next we will take fifth slab section. Click on copy. Here we have to copy this. Again I am selecting G walls. Copy. Ground floor walls. Paste here. We'll select some more activities here. First wall. Copy. Paste here. Again in the same process you can consider second wall. So I will upload this PDF in the free PDF section of Civil Engineering Shravan application. You can download from that particular link. Again I will add some other categories. So again I am adding here, add. Again I will add 420, 430, 440 here, 450 here, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 600 activities here. Okay, so here I am adding. Next one, which is related to third wall, 3 wall section. So just I am selecting third wall section. Click on select this option. We'll paste here. Again in the same process we will select the fourth wall section. Click on copy. We will paste that particular wall section, fourth wall section. Again fifth wall section. Click on copy. Again we will select here, paste here. Again parapet wall we will consider parapet wall. Click on copy. Click on paste here. Again in the same process we will consider ground floor plastering work, first plastering. So G plastering, just I am selecting here, paste here. 1 plastering, next I want to select, copy. Again I am selecting here 1 plastering. Again I am selecting 2 plastering. We will write here instead of 1, 2, 3 plastering. Just I am adding 3 plastering. Again I am selecting as 4 plastering here. This will be a 4 plastering. Now I am adding 5 plastering. 5 plastering. Okay, next one related to, we need to add after 5 plastering, parapet wall plastering. Okay, we will add PPW plastering for the project. Click on copy option. Again we will come to this parapet wall plastering. Next one activities we had to add as per our consideration, woodwork activities, and some of the electrical activities is also there. G woodwork 1. Okay, we will add G woodwork. Paste here, which is nothing but ground floor woodwork. We will add 1 woodwork which is related to first floor woodwork. Just I am adding here wood work. First floor woodwork. Again we will add 2 woodwork, second woodwork. Again we will add 3 woodwork. We'll consider here. And we will select 4 woodwork. 4 woodwork. And this will be a 5th floor woodwork, 5 woodwork. Instead of 4 woodwork, we will consider 5. Next one, which is related to addition of G sanitary work. Click on copy. We will add here as G sanitary. Again we will add 1 sanitary. 1 sanitary. Again we will add 2 sanitary. Again we will add 3 sanitary. Again we will add 4 sanitary. 3 sanitary is completed, 4 sanitary we will add. So again we will add here, which is related to 5 sanitary. Okay, so sanitary is completed. Now we have to add electrical work as well as the flooring work. So this is next one, which is related to sanitary work. So that's why we have to add some 15 numbers of activities here. Third, fourth, this one is fifth, this one is sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, as well as this is the 15th one. Okay, so you can see here, this is the 15th one. Now we will come to here 620 activity, which is related to ground floor electrical work. Click on copy option. Again I am coming here. G electrical we will paste here. Again we will paste here, which is related to 1 electrical work. Again we will come here. We will paste here as 2 electrical work. Again we will come here. We will paste here as 3 electrical work. Again we will come here. We will paste here as 4 electrical work. Again we will come here. We will paste here as 5 electrical work. Okay, now we are done with electrical work. We'll go to flooring work. Click on copy option. We'll come here. We will paste here, which is related to G flooring. We'll paste here, which is related to 1 flooring. We'll paste here, which is related to 2 flooring. We'll paste here, which is related to 3 flooring. We'll paste here, which is related to 4 flooring. Again we will paste here, which is related to 5 flooring. Right? Done. Next we will add some more activities here for this project, which is of 3 numbers. Some 3 numbers here we are added here. Flooring work is done. So again we had to add painting work for the project. G painting. Copy. Again we will come, paste here. We will copy, paste here, which is related to 1 painting. Again we will come to here, paste here, which is related to painting. We'll come here, paste here, which is related to 3 painting. Again we will add, come here, we will paste here, which is related to 4 painting. Again we will add, which is related to 5 painting here. 5 painting. Now we are done with complete painting process by using Primavera P6 software. Now we have to do the other finishing work under this handovering site. So that's why we have to add categories. How many we have to count that? So we have 3. We have to start from 800 itself. So here I am adding from the 800. Just I am adding. Again we have to add 810, 820 here. So we will select other finishing works. Click on copy. Other finishing works. Paste here. Next one, which is related to checking of the quality of the project by using Primavera P6 software. So click on the paste option. This will be of handovering site. This is the last activity we need to add here. Okay. So this is the process of adding the activities in the Primavera P6 software. Now we have to give the duration of the project for each and every project for this particular activities.
Now we have to give the duration for the activities here. I was already given the duration for the first activity, which is related to planning and structural. We'll start from this second WBS, which is related to site clearance. For site clearance, 2 to 3 days it will take. This will be a 2 to 2. This will be of 3 days left. Okay. So PCC work. So here we will consider for PCC work 3753. 3753 we will consider. This will be of 3. This will be of 7. This will be of 5. 3753. Ground floor columns we will consider
For ground floor columns 425, 525, 525. Everything will be a 525. This will be a 425. This will be a 525. This is 5. This is 25. This will be a 5. This will be of 25. This will be of 5 as well as next one will be of 25. This will be of 5 as well as this will be of 25. Next, ground floor walls we need to consider. G walls which are constructed 12 days, rest of the walls will be of 13 days and last wall will be of 14 days. So 13 days, this first one will be of 13 days. G walls will be of 12 days, not 13 days actually. This will be of 12 days. 13, this 13 as well as this will be of 14 days. Parapet wall construction, it will be take approximately 3 days for the project. So this will be of 3 days. G plastering, now we will consider G plastering. For the G plastering 14, 15, 15, 15, 15 days it will take. So first one will be of 14 days. Rest of the things will be of 15. 15, 15, 15, 15 as well as this is also 15 here. Parapet wall plastering it will take around 6 days. Okay, ground floor woodwork we will consider. G woodwork 7 days, rest of the woodwork is also 7 days. This will be of 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Next one will be of sanitary work. For the sanitary work it will take all 88 days except the electrical. 8, this will be of 8, this will be of 8, this will be of 8, this is also 8, this is also 8. Electrical work it will take 3 days. Again one electrical also it will take 3 days. This 3, this 3, this 3, this is also 3 days. Now we will select the flooring work. For the flooring work it will take 14 days for each and every flooring work and painting work 7 days. This is 14, 14, 14, 14, 14 and 14. This is approximately of 7, I think 7. This will be of 7, 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 this will be of 7. And lastly we will give the some other 4 days, 3 days and we had to add this handovering site in the checking of the quality of the project. Why? Because if you select it as finishing project, it will take it as 0 days. That's why I am adding 5 days here in a checking the quality. This will be of 4 days. This will be of 5 days, mostly 3 plus 2, 5 days. And next one will be of task, which is a finish milestone option, so that it will make it as 0 days here. Okay, now we can see every project was started at the project starting date as well as the finish. So calendar is this, start project is 2nd September ending before the scheduling of the project. So now we are done with complete activities addition. Our next step is to give the relations between the activities. This was very, very, very important. So we have to give. So I am following the relation one by one activity. You can follow the different relations between the activities for each and every section. Okay. So for simple understanding, just I am following the simple relation between the activities. So let us consider surveying is there. For the surveying, predecessor is start project. Okay. So here I am selecting predecessor. This time moving to the some height. So click on apply option. So start project is the my predecessor for the project. If you have the lag, you can add here. Okay. Next one, drawing of the floor, surveying, design, drawing of the floor, detail structure, consider here. Just I am taking 2, site clearance, just I am selecting D, setting out site clearance, marking the center line of the project, setting out, which is having delay of 2 days, and excavation work, marking the center line of the project with lag as 1 day, and PCC work, we will consider excavation work. For the foundation, PCC, filling, foundation, plinth beams, filling, just I am taking G columns, plinth beams, G slab, G column, first column, G slab, first column, second slab, just I am taking second slab, second column, third slab, second slab with a lag of from 2 days, third slab, third column, fourth third slab with lag as 1 day, fourth slab, fourth column, fifth column, fourth slab, fifth column. Just I am adding here. The same process, ground floor column section, fifth slab, 1 wall, G wall, 2 wall, 1 wall, 3 wall, 2 wall, fourth wall, 3 wall, fifth wall, fourth wall, parapet wall, fifth wall, G plastering, parapet wall, plastering, G plastering, 2 plastering, 1 plastering with a lag of 1 day, and plastering 3 we will consider here 2 plastering, 4 plastering we will take it as 3 plastering, 5 plastering, 4 plastering with a lag of 1 day, parapet wall 1 plastering, G wood, PPW plastering, first wood, G wood, second wood, 1 wood, 3 wood, 2 wood. We can consider 1 wood, delete here, remove this. Again we have to consider 4 wood, 3 wood work with lag of some 2 days, just I am adding 5 wood, 4 wood, sanitary, 5th wood, sanitary work, G sanitary, 2 sanitary, 1 sanitary. So just I am adding here, double click on this, 1 sanitary completed, 3 sanitary, 2 sanitary, 4 sanitary, 3 sanitary, 5 sanitary, 4 sanitary, G sanitary, 5, 1 electrical, G electrical, 2 electrical, 1 electrical, 3 electrical, 2 electrical, 4th electrical, 3 electrical, 5th electrical, 4th electrical, ground floor, 5th, 1 floor, 1 G, 2 floor, 1 floor, 3 floor, 2 floor with lag, just I am taking here as 2 days, 4, 3, 5, 4, G, 5, 1 G, 1 painting, 2 painting, 3 painting here, 3 painting, 2 painting, 4 painting, 3 painting, painting, 5 painting, other finishing, 5 painting, checking the quality of the project, other finishing, handovering site, checking the quality of the project with delay as 1 day, just I am adding here. Okay, so this is the relations, giving the relations between the activity for each and every one. So we are done with complete step which is related to giving the relations between the activity. Our next step is to give the scheduling of the project. So that's why we have to click on this F9 option in the keyboard, otherwise click on the schedule option. So we will start the project from the 2nd July, click on the schedule option, so that it will make the complete scheduling of the project by using Primavera P6 software. So in order to complete the complete apartment building by using Primavera P6 software, it will take approximately 656 days. As per consideration, it will take 650 days for the completion of the total project. Approximately it will take 24 months. Mostly it will take 24 months. Okay, so it is 30 days will be 1 month. Okay, it will be of 20 months, 22 months, sorry, not 24 months. It will take 22 months for completion of the project. The starting date of this particular project is 2nd July 2025 and ending date of the project is 7th March 30. The completion of the project from the starting date to ending date, it will take approximately 5 years. Okay, so this is the complete process of scheduling of G+5 complete apartment building from starting point to ending point by using by using Primavera P6 software. It will be consisting of each and every activity. This is the worst scheduling. I mean, this is the worst case in the Primavera P6 software. Why? Because we are giving the chain relation between the activities for the project. Okay, but if you want to reduce the duration for the project, you can give the relation between the activities not as the chain format. You can give alternative format so that it will complete your project as per the CPM, construction project management and critical path method. Okay, this is the complete process of scheduling of G+5 building, apartment building by using Primavera P6 software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that questions. And if you are not yet download our application, please download our application from the link which is available in the below description of this video. And if you are not yet liked our video, please like our video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.